Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the camera problem in your device Oppo Reno 8 and 8 Pro. So in this device, if you are having any problem related to the camera, like your camera app is not working or any other camera related issue, you can fix it just by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we move to the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video, you will learn how you can fix the camera app problem in your device. Let's watch the video.